What's up, guys? From a lovely Saturday, about midday afternoon. It rained quite heavily this morning and quite recently. That's why you see the water and the rain in the distance. But yeah, going for a little beach walk. It's been a busy week, so let's see how it is. So right by the Kimpton. Looks like a nice day. Coco Lobo on the left, Red Sail on the right. It's amazing the difference of the beach here. A few months ago, this wall, you drop like maybe a foot or two, so the sand has been pushed up right to the wall, which is good. And a few months also, the wave used to hit this wall as well, no longer. It's a nice day. You can see some rain pouring over there. Kimpton over here looks busy. Island is pretty much back to normal, guys. Getting very busy. Trying to find my Michigan hat this morning, but I couldn't find it. We're playing Nebraska today at 3:30. So I got this hat for sun protection. Oh yeah, that's nice. So yeah, let's go down that way. Leave my towel there. It should be there hopefully when I return. But yeah, beautiful day. No cruise ships in today. There was one yesterday or two yesterday. Very busy when they're in town. Lots of people come on the island. It's been actually quite busy at work. Everybody's expecting it to be a very busy holiday season. It's November, Christmas around the corner. Should be very, very busy for us, which is great. As you know, past couple years been so-so. Fine, this year things will get better. So yeah, it's been very busy. There's still some storms in the area. You know, that Hurricane Nicole, and then I saw another potential system coming west. So let's see. Look at that. Picture worthy. Yeah, a lot of clarity, spot on today. Very nice. Yeah, nobody ever comes here most of the time. When I'm walking here, it's always empty. So, good for me. Somebody left their shoes. Hopefully they collect it. Get some seaweed. Yeah, coming from this way. Looks like a beautiful day. Even though I had some rain, all good. Let's go for a little dip. Let's do it, folks. Take off the sunglasses. Let's go in the water. Make sure my pocket's empty. Very nice. Clarity. Crystal clear. Let me show you the clarity. Crystal clear today, folks. Huh? Look at that. Hear the waves breaking over the reef there. Very nice. Okay. Just got out of the Lamar Ocean. I'm gonna walk a little further. I should have brought my towel. That was stupid. I left it by where we came in from the Kimpton. I got salt in my eyes. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, this part of the beach is quite nice. Like over by the Kimpton, before the Kimpton Public Beach gets quite busy, especially right now. Considering how busy we are at the hotels, which is great. A lot of people go there. A lot of folks don't go a little bit further. So I always recommend, venture a few more meters and you'll find it empty like this. Nice place to be in the afternoon. You have a lot of privacy, as you can see. And look at this. Look at that. Yeah, that's worth that. Look at that. Beautiful clarity. The Caribbean crystal blue, as they say. That is nice. So yeah, there's like no tourists here. Empty, empty, empty. Got some nice little vacation rentals. A little bit past up here. This spot. I never see people there. It's a nice house, but not sure who runs it or anything. But yeah, you got a nice couple apartment rentals here on a nice spotted beach. Yeah, you see red sails out doing their thing. Got some clouds coming in. My time to slowly walk back, I think. I never fully walked from one end to the other of 7 Mile Beach. Can't really call it 7 Mile Beach anymore. Like 5 Mile Beach. Yeah, there's the red sail catamaran going out. Looks like a nice day to be on the water. Forgot also to mention that it's Pirates Week. There's some festivities happening at the waterfront in Georgetown. Might check it out later. Not really my thing, but salt. Salt water in my eyes. But yeah, I might check it out later. Damn, it's a nice day. Sorry. I'm gonna do the clean of the eye. Okay. There we go. Am I recording? Yep. Alright, cool. Yeah. Spectacular day. We've been here a few times in the past week where we had a little bonfire with our Cayman family. It's for sure a nice way to spend the evening if you're good friends. Whew. This water is spectacular. Yeah, beautiful day on the ocean as well. Yeah, we always come here for our get-togethers. Nice shade, but there's ants, so yeah, be careful. Lots of ants. Got on my toes last couple times. Got some folks trying to paddleboard. Good luck, my friend. It's tough to paddleboard on the ocean, the current. So, back to Kimpton. Ooh. Nice to get out for a little walk. Some vitamin D. I've had a cold for the past like week or so. Nice to get that vitamin D in that seawater. Flush it out.